This is also very important topic. Localized encryption and authentication protocol, short form is LEAP. So whenever we transmitted the data in a network, it will be travel in the form of a packet, as we know earlier. So different packet when using LEAP. So localized encryption and authentication protocol use different key mechanism. So every packet has to be protected, right? That is why it is using different key mechanism. Security decides the mechanism. What security we have provided, it defines the mechanism of encryption as well as authentication protocol. A node uses 4 keys. Devices are using the 4 keys. Let us see what are those: individual key, group key, cluster key, and share a pair of key with the neighbor. So these 4 keys are used by a node. A challenge for highly distributed architecture with localized coordination is the implementation of goals of a system for application and services. Then we are having a high challenges for the distributed architecture systems with localized coordination is the implementation of a goal of a system for application and services. If you want to provide a application and services as a strong one, we are having a heavy challenges whenever we transmitted over the network. So distributed architecture has to be coordinated with the localized applications as well as services. Implementation needs are autonomous operations. So whenever we are developing these goals for your nodes and also for the packets, we must use autonomous operations, self-organizations, self-configuration adaptations, energy conservation at physical, MAC, link, root, application layer, design of a scalable node density, number, and types of network. So whenever we are implementing the goals of a system of our application and services in distributed systems, that system must be used in autonomous operation, self-organizations, self-configuration adaptation, energy conservation at physical, MAC, already know what is a MAC, media access control, link, root, application layer, design of a scalable node density, number, and types of network. Network is a data-centric network and root node have no addressability. If you see the network, it is a data-centric network. It is a centralized network and root nodes have no addressability. Whatever the root we are using, it has not having addressability. So root in the sense, whatever the device you are using, it doesn't have any addressabilities. 3 challenges we are going to be facing in your localized encryption and authentication protocols. Those are security, QoS. What is QoS? Quality of service and configuring of nodes are as follows. Let us see these 3 challenges. One is the security, second one is the quality of service, and third one is configuration of nodes. First, our topic is the security. Let us see the security challenges. Here, hello flood attack. Here the name suggests hello flood attack. An attacker node sends hello message. Whoever the node want to attack your packet, he will send as an hello message repeatedly and thus drains the energy of the attacked node. If you access that packet in a network, automatically it breaks your immune system. In the sense, it drains the energy means it lowers your battery usage or your device performance. So whenever it is repeatedly sending the hello message, if you access, automatically your performance of a node is comes down. So that is your hello flood attack. Next one is the Sybil attack. Sybil attack is an attack where single node present itself as different entities at different times. So this Sybil attack is an attack where the single node presents itself. Single node is presents itself as a different entity. It is showing as a differently at different times. So your entity is showing you as a differently. In the sense, whenever anything is attacked, for this example, if any virus is attacked, as a normal person is behaves in different way, right? In the same sense, your network system is also behaves differently. According to this, your message is also acting differently whenever this Sybil attacks. Selective forwarding attack is an attack when the attacker node does not forward the attacker node message on receiving. Selective forwarding attack is also one kind of an attack when the attacker node does not forward the attacked node. So if this selective forwarding attack is attacked to your node, then you are unable to send any kind of a node, any kind of a messages, or any kind of a receiving messages is not possible. Sinkhole attack is when an attacked node behaves as an access point and receives the message without forwarding them. So, and last attack is the sinkhole attack. It is also one kind of attacked node. If it is attacked to your node, it is behaving as an access point, so it is acting as a destination and receives the message without forwarding them. So that node is acting as an accessing point. It is treated as a target, and it receives all the messages and doesn't forward to the actual target.